there, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute ice cream. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see waffle cup, 3 balls of ice cream and cute face. Let's look at the picture one more time. Waffle cup, 4 balls of ice cream and cute face. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the waffle cup. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. Draw horizontal line, then 2 vertical lines on both sides and connect them. Then let's draw the eyes. Draw 2 big circles on both sides. That's right, I like your line. Then 2 circles inside these circles. The first and the second. Then let's draw the highlights. 2 ovals inside of each circle. And let's color inside. Leave the highlights white. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then we're gonna draw a mouth. U shape in the middle. You have a great line. Well done. Now let's finish the waffle cup. Draw vertical line on the left side, on the right side, then over here. This line must be on the same level and let's connect them. Then we're gonna draw 3 balls of ice cream. The first, we're gonna draw an upside down U shape on the left side. That's the way, I like your line. Then another curve on the right side. I start over here under the first ball and draw a curve to the right. And let's draw the third ball of ice cream. Draw an upside down U shape over here. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your ice cream. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my free coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. Now let's add some texture for our waffle cup. I choose dark brown for lines. Draw diagonal lines inside the waffle cup. Then draw to other direction. Then I choose beige for waffle cup. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. We try to carefully and accurately color inside this form. Oh, you're doing great! I choose green color for pistachio ice cream. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Try to color all the completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Then I choose pink for strawberry ice cream bowl. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you.
And finally, yellow for banana ball.
Wow, what a tasty ice cream! Oh, I like it. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. Love you. Bye bye.